Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very easy and tasty holiday garlic knot ring. This is perfect for parties or if you just like garlic knots, but you want to make the recipe easy. So here's how I do it. Okay, so I'm going to be using 2 store-bought 13.8 ounce cans of pizza dough, and I'm going to cut them into small pieces and roll them into dough balls. So I have placed all of my dough balls in a large bowl, and you want to work with a large bowl because you're going to be mixing ingredients. So now I'm going to add a tablespoon of fresh chopped parsley and a tablespoon of fresh chopped basil. I'm also going to be adding some chopped sun-dried tomatoes and a teaspoon of garlic powder. I'm also going to be adding 2 ounces of grated parmesan cheese and 4 ounces of grated mozzarella cheese. It all didn't fit in one bowl, and I used my food processor to just shred or grate all the cheeses. Next, I'm going to add some black pepper. I'm also going to be adding 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and I will be adding 1 cup of store-bought Alfredo sauce, and I'm going to make sure I scrape every bit of that sauce. And now I'm going to mix and combine well. Once everything is combined, I'm going to add it into a bundt cake pan. I am using a non-stick bundt cake pan that I have lightly greased. You could use cooking spray if that's what you have. I just used oil and just spread it all over the bundt cake pan. Now I'm going to add my mixture into the pan, and I will be baking this in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes or until everything is cooked through. While my garlic knot ring is baking, I'm going to create a sauce. So I'm going to take a half cup of that store-bought Alfredo sauce and a 1/4 cup of marinara sauce. This is all store-bought, and I'm just going to combine it. And it really does go great as a dipping sauce. So now that my garlic knots have baked, I am going to flip this out onto a serving platter, and you want to be careful because it's still hot, and if you need to remove it from the sides or run a wooden spoon along the edge to help loosen it, that also is something you can do. I'm going to give it a tap and it should come right out. Once it's out of the bundt pan, I am going to take a wooden spoon and just create a center so that I can place a small glass of that dipping sauce in the center. And I'm going to take some chopped parsley, some fresh chopped parsley to add some color to the top, and this is ready. This is a great party appetizer, and it really is easy to make, and it's so versatile. You can add the fillings and meats and cheeses of your choice. I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.